health conditions or any concerns about riding this ride, please do not ride and speak with a cadet 38 inches or taller to ride this ride. Junior explorers between 30 inches. Now, get ready as your rescue begins at Beach Rescue Racer. Minor requirements prior to boarding. If you are pregnant, have neck, back, or heart problems, any pre-existing
Welcome back, exiting to your left-hand side.
this ride, please do not ride and speak with a cadet.